Hey guys, this is EYL to alarms. This is going to be fire alarm system test 33. Let's get started. Anyway, got some new changes. I got some new devices in the system. More likely it's going to be a little different. You're going to see what it is, but here's the panel right here. Right there, you can see the panel. Much the same. Just the same panel like always. Cerberus Pyrotronics MSI-10B, which is conventional, which I changed it, converted to conventional. We have a Siemens OP121 smoke detector. We have a Relock LED 3 Exceeder. LED 3 Exceeder. Its model number is the LHSRC3. Yeah, there you go. It's set to, I think, 30 candela. That's what it's set to. It's going to be doing relock sync from my whole basic module right there. We have the fake BG12L, the fake one. And we have a relock LED 3 Exceeder. LSTR3, I think. Yeah. And a Bosch up to 20 PTHC, which is still here. Relock RSS, remote strobe. We have the Siemens DT11, which we will not be testing today. Still have the Firelight BG12 here. Let's still have the MBG10. Brand new annunciator, you can see has all 4 indicators. You can see it's focus here. There we go. We have a Relock NS in white. Set to 75, set to 30 candela. And this is supposed to 24. Now, I thought of this. So to deal with the LED exceeders, let's say a newer section of the building has these alarms, the LED exceeders, and the old building has just the RSS and the NS. Has the NS. So I kind of thought about that. Basically, the new wing has new alarms, the old wing still has the old alarms and all that. That's what this is right here, basically, but yeah. Anyway, I also have another camera that is recording the panel. It's actually out of focus. Yeah, right there. So you can see the display on it. So you can see the display shows up as a zone. So, anyway, here we go. Here is the MSI-10B. There you go. They're in sync. Wow, it's loud. Oh. That is loud. I'm going to silence it now. Kind of see it there. I'll silence it. Okay, there's a silencing pulse. There you go, you kind of see it there. So this camera, your phone has a hard time focusing, but we're going to reset the pole anyway. And you can see we're now at 2-wire audible silence. You can see from the synchronization module. There you go. You kind of see they're in sync now. I'm not sure you can tell that by this area, but they're in sync. I have a alarm zone 1 on the annunciator. You can see that, zone 1. So, we're going to reset it, the pole, but however, we're going to go ahead and activate another zone. So we're going to do that. Let's reset. Now we'll go ahead and activate the VT12. So, here we go. Give it a second. There it goes. I have a zone 3 alarm now. So while all the silence. So you have alarm 1 and 3, so that's indicated by the annunciator. And on the panel, as you may be able to see on the camera phone, outer camera, be able to see 2 alarms on that. See? Now I'm going to reset the panel. So here we go. I didn't reset the pulse station, so I just reset the panel and the pulse station. So you can see it's reset. I forgot to reset when I reset the panel, but yeah, anyway, it's reset. So, sorry about that. Anyway, let's go now do the Siemens OP121. Takes a lot to sync up. This lines up on the annunciator again. You can see now we're silenced by the annunciator. You can see that. So 1 again on the alarm on the annunciator. And just to let you know that the trouble lights do work. Here it is, the alarm. Oh, I can see that, but it's flashing red. Anyway, we'll reset. Okay. And now we're going to do the BT12L. So yeah. And I also lowered it, so whatever. There are all the signs by the panel. Okay, there you go. Our 2 wireless silence. And I guess we'll reset it from the annunciator. See, all the trouble lights work. In case you didn't know, if you want to know if all the trouble lights work corresponding to that, I'll show you that right now. I just got this 24 volt power supply. Someone goes into trouble. Immediately seeing, as you can see, there it is. That's something you gotta ask. So, put this back in. That's 24 volt power supply. Alright. Now we'll do the Bosch F220 PTHC. Here we go. Silence that. Can't see it, but they're in sync. But yeah. So it's zone 2 alarm on the annunciator. There's the ENS and 2 wirable silence. And I think now we're going to do the 2424 and the NBG10. Yeah. Alright, so we'll do the NBG10 first. There's the pulsation here, which is kind of tricky on this one. There we go. There it is. Now we're going to activate zone 4, which is this, which is the 2424 from system sensor. It's silenced. Take a second. There it goes. Yeah, I see they're in sync now. That's a panel bug. I gotta fix that, but yeah. That right there is a panel bug I need to fix. But yeah. Anyway. There it is. You can see now it's in sync. But as you see on the LCD screen is a panel bug. I need to fix that. So anyway. Kind of see it there. 3 alarms. And we're 2 wire all those lights. So now, actually, we're reset from the annunciator. How about that? So, let's reset from the annunciator. So there it is, guys. That is. Actually, you know what? Let's do walk test. How about that? So how about we do a little bit of walk test? How about just do 2 zones? That's it. So in our walk test, you can see that. This isn't carried by the panel here. But anyway, we'll do the BT12 and then it's gonna. So. Okay, there it is. That was zone 3. Yeah, I'll do 24 again. Now, of course, the horns aren't going to sound good. It's on the sync module, but it's on my homemade sync module. But you can see it. There it is. There's zone 4 lighting up. And it's reset. So, anyway, we'll take it out of walk test. And there you go. Take it out of walk test. And reset. That is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have open requests for System Test 34. Join my Discord server that's in the request channel. And it's on my community section of my channel. So one user gets to pick which device to put up on where the device is, I guess, in place, I guess, yeah. So there it is. There's the new annunciator for the system anyway. Just finished that today. Alright, guys. Anyway, guys, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I really appreciate for your support. Because, yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.